Hey there, good looking. Yes, you. No one can hear me but you. Well, look at you. Your attitude, your persona, the aura around you. You personify class. Now, why would someone as cool as you choose anything but a Heineken?
I was looking all around and it was quite surreal. It was quite, science fiction kind of scenario. So it was quite nice.
Okay, perhaps it's my mobile phone, but no, it was not my mobile phone.
That was a cool stuff here. I didn't know where the noise is coming from. I was just trying to figure out what is this all about.
Voice from heaven.
So, walk right ahead. Pick up a few Heinekens and open your world. Cheers!